Have you wanted to adjust the rear shock on your Softail, but you weren't quite sure what was involved? It's really simple, so let's take a look. Adjusting the rear shock on a Softail Street Bob or one of the other bikes that has the single rear shock is super simple, and this actually may be the shortest video on my channel up to this point. So we're going to dive right in and take a look at how to make that adjustment. First of all, you start by removing the seat of your bike, and I'm not going to get into the details there because it's going to be different for everybody's bike. I've got a solo Springer seat on my bike, so there's a lot more involved, but if you have a standard seat with just those couple of securing bolts in there, it'll be really simple to get the seat off. You then just need to remove that upper frame cross member, and then you have easy access to that preload adjuster. And at that point, all you need is a shock adjustment tool like this one. Now, I'm not sure where I got this one. I really like it a lot. It's two pieces, so you get a bit of extension to make adjusting that shock easier. I don't remember if this came with a bike that I had before or if I got this on my own. I'll take a look and see if I can find it or something similar, and I'll put links down in the video description. You then just adjust the preload to the setting that you want to use. I'll put the chart from the owner's manual here so you can take a look at that. And that's just a guideline. You can set the preload to whatever you want. You just hook the adjustment tool onto that adjuster and then set it to whatever preload setting you're looking for. It's super simple to do. Just be aware that as you increase that preload, it does get a bit harder to move that adjuster, and I found that it's really easy to keep the bike nice and secure just by reaching across with one hand to brace one side of the frame to make that adjustment. Once you get it set to the place you want it, you just reinstall the upper frame cross member, reinstall your seat, and go enjoy the ride. As I said, this is a super short video. It's a really easy process, but I've really wanted to just get this video done for a long time now, and so I finally got around to it. Let me throw out a quick teaser too. You may have heard me mention this in the last video. When I installed the lowering kit, it rekindled my desire to make the Softail a hardtail. So I had this idea for a way to tackle that project, and once I got in and installed that lowering kit, I was able to take some measurements and kind of take a look at how everything worked in there, and that really got me excited about doing this hardtail Softail project. So be on the lookout for that video at some time in the future. Drop in a comment and let me know if you've adjusted the rear shock, and what do you go with? Do you like to have a higher preload or a lower preload? I just keep mine on the lowest setting because I like a nice soft ride on the Softail, and I rarely have a passenger with me, so I'm not really worried about any higher preload than that. If you have any recommendations or ideas for future video content, drop those in the comments as well. I'd love to get your input. If you found this video informational or useful, please do hit that thumbs up button and share it with your friends. That really helps the channel out a lot, and it shows YouTube that you care about this content. And if you're new here, please do consider subscribing, hitting that notification bell, and enabling all notifications so you'll be alerted whenever I post a new video. Thanks so much for watching. Enjoy the ride. I'll see you next time.